Winds are keeping firefighters on high alert, especially around the East Kansas City lumber yard that was ravaged by a massive fire earlier this week.
KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell shows us how firefighters are keeping a close eye on that fire that's still burning tonight.
The fire here took 2 days to put out, and the high winds today aren't welcome at all for firefighters.
It can create quite an issue. It can be a very dangerous situation.
If battling fires wasn't dangerous enough, add in high winds. Firefighters just wrapped 48 hours of fighting a massive lumberyard blaze on Kansas City's east side, but now, by land and by air, are still searching for hot spots because today's blustery conditions could coax forth new flames. Fire warnings are in effect across the metro because the winds are high and the ground is dry. Crews know when going after an inferno, a whipping wind is an enemy.
We will make sure that we'll send out information across the board to make sure, hey, pay attention to the weather today. It can definitely impact fires, how they go, our aerial operations when we got our ladders up in the air. You can have power lines coming down, tree branches falling.
Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
High winds and dry land have created fire danger warnings on both sides of the state line. In western Kansas near Colby, this is crazy. I-70 shut down in both directions due to high winds. It is now reopened.